Decomposing. The breaking down of a problem into smaller problems that can be solved separately. Here, a flower is drawn by repeating many squares using a procedure to draw the square. Logical reasoning is applying known rules to a problem. In this 2-go example, we know how big each step the character takes, so we can work out how far to move them to reach their destination. Variables. Objects that can be altered by and within a program. In this 2-code activity, whenever a target is clicked on, the target is hidden and the score is altered.